Hi there, everyone. So I got a new thing. It's a doohickey. It's a whatchamacallit. It's a thing like that for your camera. But I want to show you why I'm really excited about it. You know, when you get like just the right tool and everything, and how exciting it is. This is really exciting for me. And let me explain. Okay, so when I do demonstrations, right? And right now this is on my phone, but I have a little camera here. This is one of the cameras that I like to use for demonstration. Logitech. It's a great camera. It's great, nice, bright, clear. It's really awesome. But the problem is that I have a tripod that it's on, which this phone is on right now. And let me show you what happens with the tripod situation, okay? So there's a couple problems with it over this work, right? So in my mind, it distorts the block. It's not as accurate as I want it to be. And two, if I try to make it really like straight over the top, look at this. You always see the foot of that. No, Jenny, no like. I no like. So, and then the other thing too is that when I'm demonstrating, like I'm pointing something here or I'm trying to give you my view, I can't do it unless you're right here. And then right here, over it, awkward foot, no, it's just not working. I'm gonna put this doohickey together and then hopefully we'll be able to get it just right. It's a lot bigger, taller, longer, bigger than I expected it to be, but we're all connected. I have my camera mounted on there. This swivels, this moves, and then there was that ball joint that moves there completely, and then I can extend it out over the table. It could be up really high. I don't need it that high, but so clearly, Jenny, need to make a little adjustments and test this out, which is going to be awesome. But then it has, let's see if I can get the other thing. Hang on, let me show you. Hold on. There it is. This will fasten onto the table, so it can be right behind me, looking over, so you'll get a view. Everything that I'm demonstrating, that I'm going to show you, it can be right over my shoulder. Yay! I love that. It works. I am ridiculously excited. Check this out. So see, here it is. I got a full big panel. It's up there, and look, you can see just right down there, right over it. It's so awesome, and it looks gorgeous. I'm very excited. Very excited. You know, as a quilter, the right tools make a difference, right? And how exciting is it to get like, oh, I've been waiting for this and it's wonderful, right? This one is mine. Mine for today. I have been waiting for one of these and I think it's going to be awesome. What ones do you like? What tools can you just not live without and are so excited to get your hands on the perfect one? So you guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.